So guys, to download and install Spotify on your Windows computer, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you just want to search for Spotify. And now we have it right here. You want to click on this. Spotify Music is free. You want to click on Get. Now it's downloading. And now that Spotify has been downloaded, we're just going to open it up. And now we have it right here. Now you can just log in. You could also pin it to your taskbar, so I'm just going to do that right now. So you want to find Spotify on your taskbar, right click on it, and click on pin to taskbar. Now, if you close out Spotify, you can just quickly access it with your taskbar. And if you want to make a desktop icon of Spotify, you want to head over to search and type in run. Click on enter. And now you want to type in shell, apps, folder. And click on enter. And now you want to scroll down until you find Spotify. You want to right click on it, and then click on create shortcut, and then click on yes. And now you have it on your desktop. And if you want to rename it, you can. You just want to right click on it, click on show more options, and then click on rename. And now you can rename it to anything you want.